Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is crempog, which means pancake. Crempog. As in, tisio crempog? Would you like a pancake? Crempog. Pancake.